In this video, I will show you how to deploy WhatsApp bot for free using Windows PowerShell. We've talked a lot about the TCT bot and the incredible features it brings to the table. Imagine having the power to see messages even after they've been deleted using the anti-delete feature. Imagine being able to save and view once photos and videos as many times as you want using the anti-view once module. Imagine being able to see what was in a message before it was edited, giving you perfect transparency. These are not just fantasies, these are all built-in features of the TCT bot, and today you can find a complete list of these incredible capabilities and more, including detailed descriptions, on our website, and I have also linked a video that shows these bot features in action. Our journey begins at the source, the TCT website. This is the control center for our bot deployment. You can find the direct link in the video description below, but if you prefer the search method, simply Google the phrase the Carl Tech pairing or just the Carl Tech and look for the official URL that contains TCT within its address. That's the one you need. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be greeted with two clear options: WhatsApp services and Telegram services. For today's purpose, we are squarely focused on the WhatsApp ecosystem, so click on WhatsApp services. The immediate and most crucial step here is obtaining your session ID. Think of the session ID as a temporary, yet vital, digital key that grants your new bot application secure, temporary access to your WhatsApp number. To generate this key, click on Get Session ID, which redirects you to the pairing site. This site is designed to facilitate the secure handshake between your phone and the bot server. While there are a couple of ways to pair, the quickest and most reliable method is the QR code. Before the code is displayed, however, the site will prompt you to set a password. This step is non-negotiable for security and later access. Choose a strong, unique password and commit it to memory because you will absolutely need it if you ever have to refetch your session ID or refresh your pairing. Once the password is set, click the button to generate the QR code. Now, grab the phone that hosts the WhatsApp number you want to automate, navigate to linked devices within the app settings, and use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen. The process should be instantaneous, and once the connection is established, the pairing site will display your freshly minted session ID. It's a very long string of alphanumeric characters, so don't try to type it out. Instead, use the convenient copy shortcut located right beside it, paste it into a temporary document, and keep it ready for the next crucial phase of our deployment. With your digital key secured, it is time to transform your Windows PC into the bot's hosting environment using Windows PowerShell. Click the Start button, search for PowerShell, then right-click the application result and select Run as Administrator. Opening it as an administrator is absolutely essential to allow the script to install the necessary tools. Now, return to the TCT Steps site. Scroll down to the deployment instructions. You'll notice we provide options for VPS, Termux, and the one we're using today, the PC method specifically for Windows. Under this section, you will find a single, powerful command that begins with This command is a powerful instruction that triggers the automated setup script. Copy the entire command completely and paste it directly into your blue PowerShell window. Hit enter and watch the magic begin. The script immediately starts downloading and installing all the foundational dependencies required for the bot to run. This includes Git for code management, Node.js as the core runtime environment, and Yarn for efficient package handling. During this critical phase, your operating system will rightfully be cautious. You will see several pop-up windows, such as the one for the Git installer, asking for permission to make changes to your system or complete the installation. It is absolutely vital that you click Yes, Allow, or Install on every single one of these prompts to ensure all required components are successfully integrated. Do not skip or minimize these windows. Wait patiently until the script confirms all these foundational tools, Git, Node.js, and Yarn, have been successfully downloaded and installed into your system. Once the foundation is secure, the script will prompt you for a bot name. You have two choices here. You can simply hit enter to use the default name, which usually starts with TCT, or you can enter a customized name. I strongly recommend you choose and input a simple, memorable name of your choice. This name, which in our demonstration I will set as Wobbot, is not just for branding, it is a critical identifier you will need later for management and troubleshooting, especially if you ever have to restart the bot. After you've entered your name, or skipped the prompt, hit Enter. The deployment continues as the remaining core dependencies are downloaded. The script then reaches the final configuration prompt, Input Session ID. This is where your copied key comes in. Go back to your notepad or the pairing site, copy the long session ID string one last time, paste it directly into the PowerShell window, and hit Enter. With the session ID accepted, the bot's main files, including its core logic and pre-configured plugins, will be downloaded and initialized. This final download and setup process will take a few minutes, depending on the speed of your internet connection. Once everything is complete, you will see a confirmation message in PowerShell indicating that the processes have been initialized and the bot is now actively running. Immediately, switch your attention to the linked WhatsApp number. You should receive a welcoming start message containing a comprehensive list of all the installed plugins and their current status, whether they are set to either on or off. This is your definitive confirmation that the bot is live and communicating. To perform the final, working check, type the word help where you received the start message. When you type the word help, the bot will generate all the bot's plugins and their functions. This list shows you have succeeded. Your very own WhatsApp bot is now fully deployed and operating continuously on your Windows PC. Deployment is a massive achievement, but a true automation master also understands maintenance. What happens if you accidentally close your PowerShell window, or, more commonly, what if you restart your laptop? When the PC shuts down, the PowerShell process halts, and the bot stops replying. The good news is that restarting it is incredibly simple, thanks to the use of PM2, a powerful process manager, which was included in our initial setup. The first step is always to locate your bot's files. The setup script defaults to placing the bot directory in your Windows Downloads folder. Open File Explorer and navigate there. You will find a new folder named after the choice you made earlier, for instance, Wobbot in our example, or Build if you used the default name. This folder contains all the bot's operational files. Now, if the bot is currently running but you need to manually stop it, perhaps to perform a quick update or edit a file, open PowerShell as administrator and use the PM2 stop command. You must specify the exact name you gave your bot. Type the command npx PM2 stop wobbot or whatever you named your bot and hit Enter. The bot will cease operation, and you can confirm this by trying to ping it on WhatsApp. It will no longer reply. To restart the bot after a shutdown or a manual stop, you need to first tell PowerShell where the bot lives. Use the cd command, which stands for change directory, followed by pasting the full path you copied in the previous step. For example, cd then paste the path of the bot's file we copied from File Explorer under Downloads. The quotation marks around the path are important to handle spaces correctly. Hit Enter. You are now inside the bot's directory. The final step is to issue the simple restart command, npm start. This restarts all bots files to default. It's good for those who use the default. But if you did name your bot, the use npx followed by PM2 then start and your bot name, in my case it's Wobbot. Hit Enter. The processes will quickly reinitialize, and within moments, your bot will spring back to life. Head back to WhatsApp, try the ping command, and you will receive the instantaneous reply, confirming that everything is fully operational once again. By mastering this simple cd and npm start sequence, you have achieved true autonomy in managing your 24/7 digital assistant. Now that you have mastered the deployment, I want to keep your journey accelerating. If you were thoroughly impressed by the straightforward nature of this PC setup, you will absolutely be blown away by the 2 essential videos linked for you on the end screen. On the left of the screen, you'll find our deep dive into the VPS deployment method, the ultimate solution for truly hands-off, 24/7 365 operation without the need for a personal computer to be on constantly. It's the professional-grade upgrade. And on the right, we have a dedicated tutorial on advanced bot commands and plugin customization, showing you exactly how to edit, enable, and disable the various features you saw listed in that initial start message, effectively turning this generic platform into your highly personalized tool. If this video was the spark that ignited your interest in automation, those 2 videos are the fuel that will power your next steps. I will see you there.